Hey, welcome everybody to Keep It 100 News. If you have been scammed by a telephone company, you want to keep it real, DM me. We have our first brother from another mother who have been going through the situation. My brother, how are you, Anagla?
I'm good.
That's good to know. We understand. Give me 1 minute. I don't want the pizza to get too cold. We understand you going through a problem with the telephone bill company. Speak to them. How do you feel about them?
They're crooks.
They cook. They charged me $700 last time because I use WhatsApp. Everybody know WhatsApp is for free. Everybody know WhatsApp is for free. How much they charge you?
$640.
Do you know how many cow and goat I can buy? And just for one telephone bill? I tell them forget that.
I thought I told them too, I ain't paying that.
Forget that.
I'm gonna say the other word, I couldn't say it.
Yeah, the F one, fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fabulous. Frog. Yes.
I like fraud.
Okay? We are live. If you're going with the same problem, DM us. Thank you. You hear Wolf in the back?
T-Mobile crooks. Don't deal with T-Mobile.
Don't deal with T-Mobile or any mobile.